Welcome, Medea Bejamin. Thank you. Well, it's not often that I get to be in a place where the two senators from New York are here. And we also have the people here who fund their campaigns. And where's the representative of the Merchants of Death? Oh, why don't you come up front too, because we want them all together, to see all these people together, to understand just how our democracy works, or doesn't work. And Ed talked about the importance of education and activism. I say we just go straight for revolution at this point, right? Let's just take their money non-violently. Sorry, sir, you have enough. It's been long enough, right? And let's let the people decide how we want to spend this money. So, let's see. Who wants to give $10,000, let's get $20,000 to the Merchants of Death? I just see 3 hands over here. That is all. So I would say that's not the majority, right? Okay. So let's see. If it's not going to the Merchants of Death, what the heck could we do with our money?
Healthcare!
Healthcare! Who would like to see that money going to healthcare?
More missiles!
All right, where are Gillibrand and Schumer right now? Because we want you to see what the people are saying. So please come up front here. So the people have spoken. Instead of money going for the Merchants of Death, so far we have a vote for health care. We have more money here though. So where would you like to see more money going?
Housing!
Housing.
Yay!
Well, obviously, the fat cats have not given us affordable housing, but we want our senators to allocate money for affordable housing, right?
Yes.
So this is not for your campaign re-election. This is for affordable housing, and we also had some for healthcare right here. All right, we still have money left over because, you know, it's almost $1 trillion that we've been spending now on militarism. So what else? Environment. Actually, I think we should spend quite a lot of this money on the environment. Let's see. You think we should spend a lot of money on the environment? Okay, this is for the environment, not for your campaigns, okay?
No nukes.
All right. All right, we still have money left. What else should we do?
Social Security.
Education. We have a really lousy education system in this country, and especially when it comes to higher education, where young people have to become indented servants when they come out of college, and we don't want that, do we?
No.
So how about free college education? Forget the canceling of debt, free college education. That's for the college education. We still have money left over. What do you think? Public transportation. You know, Diane talked about other countries. You go to let's talk about China. Incredible! The train service they have, the fast rail they have.
Don't they do rail?
No, they don't do rail. So, how about money for
Rail.
For fast rail, not like Amtrak, for fast rail, right? Okay, money for public transportation. What else?
Mental health.
Well, we already did health care. What do you want, more health care?
Yes.
All right, this is for Medicare to make it better, to actually include things like eyes and ears and teeth. Yeah, all that kind of extra stuff. All right, what do you want?
Mental child care.
Child care. Actually, you go to other countries and you do find that child care is free, provided by the state. So don't you think we should have that here as well?
Yes.
All right, so here we go. Child care. Not for your campaigns, remember.
Good jobs for all.
Good jobs for all. So you want the government to create jobs that are good, clean jobs, that help the environment,
That's right.
that provide...
The Weapons Corporation provides.
No! All right, we have to be very clear now that the jobs we want are not jobs that are based on killing people, right? Okay, good, clean jobs, not for killing. What else?
Elder care.
Elder care. We have an aging population. Just look at us. And we need the care we deserve, and we're not getting it in this country. So we want this money for senior care and care for all the rest of our lives, right?
We're no longer producing.
Somebody, what?
Support the veterans.
Veterans care. Well, you know, that actually came in with the care for the general population, right? Because everybody should have that care. But why don't we add the mental health services that everybody, including the veterans, and especially the veterans, need and deserve, right? So we've got housing for the people who are unhoused. We've got mental care. We've got free college education. Is there anything else you want? Infrastructure. What kind of infrastructure?
Water rebuild everything. Water.
Rebuild everything. So you want good, clean water for all cities in this country.
Clean
You
nuclear power.
Excuse me? All right, we want good infrastructure here, clean up our water, our rivers, our streets. We talked about the potholes, get rid of those potholes. All right, with the last of this money we have, what would you like? What?
That's a good idea.
Oh, education against racism. Is that a good idea? How about reparations? More important, reparations here. All right.
Immigration services.
How about immigration services? So people who are fleeing from all kinds of violent situations can get the attention that they need.
And environmental disasters are
Preparation for environmental disasters?
Well, I was thinking
Fleeing the immigrants who are fleeing. Environmental disaster as well. So we only have a little bit of money left. Last thing that you would say.
recovery services.
Clean up North.
Cleaning up U.S. bases, nutrition,
Reparations for Native Americans.
reparations for Native Americans.
Reparations to Iraqis.
So these are reparations to Iraqis, wow, and Afghanistan. So
For Nord Stream terrorism.
I hope that our politicians are listening here, because there are a lot of great ideas that you all have about how we could spend the money to make life better for people instead of killing people, right? And so, as we move forward, let's think. We not only want to educate people, we want to transform this economy from one that's based on war and killing and environmental destruction to one that's based on all of the things that we just gave our money for. And I also want to point out that as we were allocating our resources, we also allocated resources to people in other countries who are the victims of our policies, who are suffering from the environmental destruction, a lot of it caused by the wealthy countries. So we understand that there needs to be a global redistribution of resources. So we want you all to go home and think about that. And you have some money sticking out there, I see. There is a lot more money that we should be reallocating. So as we move forward, let's dream about the world we want to see, where we want to see the resources going, and who would be the people that could represent us as we transform our country and the world. So let's dream about it and kick the bums out.